Hi, Dave Conroy here from Vaporooter Australia, and look, I've been in the block drain industry for nearly 50 years, and in that time we've cleared a lot of block drains, and most of them are caused by tree roots. In fact, 85% of them are. Now, over the years I've had the unfortunate situation of having to go to homeowners in houses in a street like this and say to them, look, it's going to cost you $10 or $20 or even $30,000 to renew the sewer pipes around your house because they're badly affected by the roots of trees like this growing into their pipes. Now, one thing I want you to know is there are a number of different ways to stop those tree roots from growing in your pipes, and the first thing to do is to cut the roots out. Now, sometimes plumbers will use high pressure water or an electric eel to cut roots out of your sewer pipes. But the modern way, here we are in 2025, is to look for other ways to keep the roots at bay. Now, I think you've all heard about pipe relining, and the cost of pipe relining in today's money is about $1,000 per metre. So if you have 30 metres of pipe to have relined, it'll cost you about $30,000. If you were to treat the sewer pipes with a product that I know quite a bit about, it's called Vaporooter. It would cost you about $900 to do the same amount of pipes. So there's a choice of spending $30,000 or $900 odd on Vaporooter. So Vaporooter stops tree roots in drains. If you're interested in finding out any more about how to keep tree roots out of the drains and pipes serving your home, then contact me on 1-800-637-600 or go to vaporooteraustralia.com.au. And if this little YouTube video has helped you and you'd like to see others like it, then just click the subscribe button just below where you're watching this now. Thanks for watching.